When it comes to staying healthy, there are many ways to go about it. One of the most effective ways to keep your body in tip-top shape is to induce autophagy, a process your body goes through where it purges damaged cells and replaces them with new, healthy ones. The most popular way to push your body into autophagy is fasting. But you can also do it in a variety of ways, such as intense exercise or even eating. Today, we are going to be covering some of the foods that research indicates could trigger autophagy in specific parts of the body. Undergoing this process will not only help you feel better in the short term, but will also help to get you closer to longevity and good health. Here are 5 foods to help activate autophagy in your body. Number 1, coffee. You may not know it, but coffee was actually one of the first foods that led people to believe that autophagy through eating and drinking could be possible. Many people drink coffee anyway, too. And so, this is a great option to get you acclimated to the process, since it can be weird eating and drinking for the purpose of your body reaching autophagy status. Coffee induces autophagy in your digestive system, specifically your liver. And if you have impurities or less than a healthy liver, this effect may be felt fairly quickly. Keep in mind that drinking coffee, like all of the options on this list, isn't going to help you induce autophagy from the first cup, but it takes time. You will have to incorporate it into your regular consumption habits in order to truly feel the effects. Number 2, turmeric. Turmeric has been a useful remedy for ages, going back all the way to ancient China and Rome. Today, it's useful for its ability to fight off inflammation and even help prevent heart disease down the line. Turmeric's most important ingredient is something called curcumin, which is the part that helps induce autophagy in your body. The curcumin actually gives turmeric its orange color and is something that you can grind up and put in tea or use as a garnish. This plant is considered to be a miracle plant by many, being used to heal a laundry list of our body's problems. So it just makes sense that it can also trigger autophagy to help your body's cells repair themselves. Number 3, ginseng. Ginseng was known as an herbal remedy for years and was actually used by cowboys and Native Americans in the 19th century and early 20th centuries to help increase focus and keep the mind sharp. That's probably why ginseng is a common ingredient found in energy drinks today. Although we don't really recommend that you get your ginseng intake from something with so much sugar and caffeine. Instead, ginseng can be ground down into supplements or eaten in its plant form, although that's a bit rarer. Ginseng just entered animal testing in the last few years and was found that lab rats could undergo the autophagy process without even fasting, which is part of the reason why food studies are going on rapidly after that discovery. Number 4, pomegranate. Next up on our list is pomegranate, a fruit that doesn't seem to ever really get its due. This fruit has a ton of healing properties as well as being very helpful with your digestive and overall gut health. Pomegranate juice may be a little pricey, but it's a great way to get the desired nutrients and help your body inch closer to autophagy activation. Many researchers and experts will tell you not to drink fruit juice since it robs the fruit of its fiber. But for your purposes, that won't really matter. You can find pomegranates in most places, though, and so you can easily get the same effect that way if you want to keep the fiber. Number 5, salmon. Is there anything that salmon can't do? The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon do a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to keeping your body lean and mean. And it has recently been found that omega-3 could very well activate autophagy. Not only that, but omega-3's other crazy health benefits that help you both in the short term as well as down the line make salmon a food that you should be eating regardless. Since omega-3s can be found in a lot of different fish, you can easily swap it out if you prefer the taste of another fish. You can also find omega-3 supplements if you don't want to change up your dinner plans or spend the extra cash on getting a premium fish like salmon. These capsules achieve the same effect, although you are going to miss out on some of salmon's other health benefits if you go this route. What's your favorite food to activate autophagy? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends, and for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.